In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM. To do that, first head over to your HubSpot account and on the left sidebar you can find CRM. Proceed to click on this. So in here it will show you all the things that you can actually add like contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and the likes. Just choose which one you actually want to set up for now. On this case, usually CRM is relation management for your customers. So let's add our contacts first. Now into this part, it will load in order to show you the contacts. In here, you can find some sample contacts. So in order to set it up and use it, you can actually connect your Gmail so you can get the contacts that you want right here. You can also add some more. So for this case, just click on this add contacts. You can create new or import some. So you can manage them all right here and you can actually add them for newsletter subscribers and the like. When you hover again right here into your CRM, you can find your company's deals and tickets. On this case, you can also access the inbox that can help build some more customer rapport altogether. In here, you can see all your inbox such as team email, chat, forms, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and calling. It's all centralized into this place, so it's actually better for you and easier for you to track. So you can just manage everything using the CRM right here in order to nurture your contacts and also to bring more leads to your company. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.